the 2-year agreement. Plus, the fast, reliable internet that you love can be yours even faster. For 2 years, get a free speed upgrade of up to 400 megs. You can even watch all your...
Hey Google, good morning.
Good morning, Adolfo. It's 9:50 a.m. Currently it's 87 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 95 and a low of 77. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 98. Your commute to work is currently 37 minutes with light traffic if you take Farm to Market 1093W by car. Have a nice day. Here's the latest news. From Reuters TV, US, at 9:35 a.m. today.
From Reuters TV, here are today's top stories.
We're going to protect farmers and workers.
Farmers' frustration gives Democrats a new opening in rural America.
Iran rules out talking to the US until sanctions are lifted.
This is Reuters Now.
And we don't need a president that is treating our rural areas and our farmers like they're a bunch of poker chips in one of his bankrupt casinos.
With piles of American soy left to rot and Chinese buyers scared off by rising tariffs, Democratic rivals are seizing on mounting Farm Belt frustration with President Donald Trump's trade war.
We're going to protect farmers and workers.
Let's talk about the farmers here in this great state of Iowa.
It's a bid to take back part of rural America, which helped put Trump into the White House in 2016. The sparsely populated U.S. heartland has remained loyal to the Republican president, even as farmers from Iowa to Wisconsin to Pennsylvania bear the brunt of his tariff war with China. His advisors insist Trump's projection of toughness against China will only delight and not alienate his base.
He seems harsh right now, but he's a businessman and he's trying to make this fair trade.
The Democratic presidential candidates are highlighting the economic damage caused by Trump's trade war and biofuel waivers as a central plank of their pitches to rural America.
Trade war that only hurts working people and farmers.
I've talked to Iowa farmers who worked hard to develop markets overseas, only to see Trump's tariffs destroy access to those markets, and a real fear those markets are not coming